her mind like a girl. She just loves the heart.
Okay, funny.
You're already
Oh, wala na pala iwan! Kinuha ko ng cellphone.
before we break up, we kiss, we make up. You don't really wanna try, no.
Yeah! Yeah! Funny! Hello! May reminders lang po, yung palabas po naming suklay. Ito po, title. Di ba po ang ganda? Muang-mua. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba.
Teach. Anong teach? Teach.
We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there, there on the balcony with summer air. You see the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello.
Hello.
Little did I know.
I know.
That you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles from Juliet,
And now it's crying out the staircase,
begging you please don't go.
and I said,
Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet cause we're daddy playing you. So close your eyes, close your eyes. Get inside for a little while. Cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me, I was begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All you have to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you're ever coming around. My fate in you is baby. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. This love is difficult. But it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Tama ba? Hindi. Sorry! Mali!
Ewan ko nga ba?
Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I kept waiting for you, but you never come. Is this in my head? I don't know what to think. He knelt on the ground and pulled out the ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's so real. That's so real. I talked to your dad, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
young when I first saw you. Mwah. Thank you. At i-stop na po natin. Goodbye.